Tonight, we are following up on the battle between Henry County, Missouri residents and Evergy as lawsuits claim the power company's former coal plant site exposed people living there to hazardous chemicals. So last night, we told you another third-party testing sample was done at the school district showing chemical contamination on school grounds and in the building, including higher than acceptable levels of lead, arsenic, sulfate, and hexavalent chromium, all known cancer-causing chemicals. The results contradicting the Missouri DNR test, which stated there are no concerning chemical levels at Evergy's fly ash deposit site.
This is a community that makes their money, from tourism, from lake stuff, all sorts of different areas like that. This is going to affect that. So we need to get to the bottom of it, find out what's going on.
Well, Evergy has stated they are not to blame for any contamination and discard fly ash material properly. KSHB 41 reporter Isabella Ladon has been covering this since we first learned about it in January and has the latest updates.
Evergy is facing 2 lawsuits out of Henry County, both claiming that the company mishandles its fly ash waste. The company requested both of those lawsuits be moved out of Henry County jurisdiction. I spoke with attorneys about what that means. Evergy has been depositing its coal residue at the Montrose facility in Clinton for years. Cancer-causing chemical hexavalent chromium can be present in fly ash, which is why the Henry County community grew concerned when testing from a couple's lawsuit showed the contaminant in the town's soil.
We wanted to be sure that we were taking care of as many people as possible.
That lawsuit prompted dozens of people to contact attorney Kenneth McLean, who has filed 2 class action lawsuits against Evergy for property damage and personal illness.
There are literally thousands of people that would be covered by the definition within the class.
Earlier in March, Evergy requested to move the class action lawsuit to federal court out of Henry County's jurisdiction.
I'm sure that Evergy does not want to face the residents of Henry County who have endured shutting down the Clinton power plants and further adding insult to injury, bringing in pollution from other places.
Documents claim Evergy wanted to move courts because Congress expanded federal jurisdiction to class action lawsuits. But McLean says his office is prepared to handle a federal court if the case stays there.
Time after time, we've had inadequate oversight in the state of Missouri for such problems. That's why these lawsuits are necessary.
In a statement, the company said materials are transported using sealed bottle trucks, and many of the materials are frequently found in Missouri. In Kansas City, Isabella Ladon, KSHB 41 News.